Prices are too high. Nobody's spending money. GDP report shows US economy shrank again. Live updates. Gross domestic product fell by 0.2% in the second quarter after a 0.4% decline in the first, fueling fears that a recession may have already begun. People aren't spending. I do believe that we are in a recession. If you guys do, leave a comment down below. I'm here to talk about why I think AMC is potentially going to $30 within the next couple days, and we will talk about where it will scale to after that. But we need to first talk about why I do think it's going to get there. Alright, so first things first, we are going to look at the overall stock market because I do think this pushes small to mid cap companies that are heavily shorted to potentially squeeze or just essentially have shorts cover slowly but surely, because bears like bear markets. That's where they make money. And when the market is in a bull market, or at least having a little bit of a relief rally, it puts some pressure on short sellers to cover certain positions, especially when they're down bad. So real quick, I want to talk about the S&P 500. I think 404 is a big level, and I don't really like to use Webull. I prefer to use Moomoo. Hit the link down below, pinned in the top comments to get up to 10 free stocks. But on the S&P 500, it did get rejected at this 404 level. And I really want to see a break over that. I do think it could happen today, but I do think if it does get rejected around 404 or 409, the bear market could continue pretty bad. But essentially, until we get there, things are looking good. Now, I want to talk about AMC because that's what this video is based off of. And AMC, and I want to talk about Ethereum Classic. Now, if many of you don't know, Ethereum Classic has been the sort of tracker for AMC for quite a while, okay? Believe it or not, this is Ethereum Classic's chart. This is not the AMC chart. But if I were to overlay AMC, you would see not only the similarities, but almost the same exact chart, almost identical chart to Ethereum Classic. So what you would notice, let me remove AMC from this chart. On Ethereum Classic, we actually have been rallying pretty heavily. So much so that since about July 13th, we're up almost 200% on Ethereum Classic. We're clearly not up 200% on AMC. We're right around this level on AMC, right where Ethereum Classic based. And if you don't see it, after that, Ethereum Classic did get a massive rally, massive spike, and is continuing to rally. But this is where it's getting rejected, okay? It's getting rejected on this zone. And if we're looking at the technical side of things, this zone on AMC is also the median for where it was on Ethereum Classic. And if that is the case, following this trend line, AMC is probably going to run up and get rejected here until we see what Ethereum Classic is going to do. This is around the $30 level, so just be prepped. If AMC does run, prepare for a little bit of a blockade around $30. Now, of course, we had a lot more drawings drawn up here, but we deleted them just so I could show you guys a more simple version, a simplistic version. But right now, AMC did get this rip. It's basing, and if it does follow the same thing, which it has been, you're going to see a massive move extremely soon, probably the next few days or going into next week. Also, Q2 earnings, August 4th. Just don't forget that. Anytime we do have something that I want to put out, it will be put out at whatever time I can put it out. So make sure to have post notifications on. But overall, guys, from AMC, from that same day, what did we say, July 13th? We're up about max 40%. Okay, so Ethereum Classic is way ahead of the game. Although on the run in June, Ethereum Classic ran about 300-400%. We ran about 5%. So AMC should get bigger moves overall. But that is it, guys. Make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and get up to 10 free stocks for just signing up and depositing any amount. You can deposit a penny if you want. You will also get access to level 2 order books, so you can see where people are loading up, dropping off. Access to higher strikes, lower strikes in the call options and put option side of things. Access to trading options, access to margin, and access to going short or long on stocks. Peace.